How to log into OurTime Account Online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial video I'm going to teach you guys on logging into your OurTime.com account online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then go to OurTime.com, type in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then from this official page, you have to first locate the sign in button that is in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Then this will directly take you to the login portal, from where you need to first enter the correct form of your email address in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Then click on the sign in button highlighted in pink color in order to successfully log into your OurTime account. And also check this box of Keep Me Signed In if you would like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future logins. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your email address or the password that is associated with your OurTime account, you can go ahead and click on the link of Forgot Email, Forgot Password in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. And also, if you want any help regarding the login issue or anything with your account, you can click on the help option over here and find assistance from the official help desk of OurTime. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.